Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to set up order confirmation email in Shopify. First, go to Shopify and log in to your account. Once inside the dashboard, go to Settings on the lower left corner. Now, on the left panel, click on Notifications. Then, select on Customer Notifications. Now, go to Order Confirmation. Here you can set up and see your confirmation email. To set it up, just go ahead and send a test to your email. Click on Send. Now, go to your email provider. Once in, you can see the test email sent by Shopify. Click on it, and in here, you will see your order confirmation email. And that's it. That's how you set up your order confirmation email in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.